Hi fam, today I'll be showing you how to make black soup. So this is the traditional Edo black soup. So first things first, I'm going to be showing you the leaves we are going to be using because this is the most important part. We are going to be using a combination of 3 to 4 leaves and you don't want to get it wrong at this point. So this first leaf is called Ewewia. So that's the local name for this leaf, Ewewia. So we are going to be using this leaf. We are also going to be using some Oziza leaves. So these are Oziza leaves I have here. We are also going to be using Oziza leaves. Next, we are going to be using some Ugwu leaves. Yes, so this is Ugwu leaves. You are going to be using it, and on an average you are to use equal quantities of all these leaves. So also we would be adding in some scent leaf. So those are the 4 leaves we are going to be using to make our traditional black soup today. So first things first, I'm just going to wash up my leaves, make sure they are very neat because I'm going to proceed to grind them properly. So this is me now just rinsing off my leaves, washing them properly, allow the water drain a bit, and then I'm going to be proceeding to grind it. So I'm actually grinding this in the market because we have a lot of bulk cooking to do today and we have other things to grind, so we'll be taking this to the market. And note, when you are grinding this, or even if you're using your blender at home, it's advisable you add in a bit of palm oil, just a little bit, to help it come out of the blender because it can get stuck, especially because of the Oziza leaf. So next we are going to be boiling in our palm nut extract. So this is Banga. So here I have a mixture of the agric Banga and the native Banga. So I'm going to be boiling this together because we are going to be using our extract, our palm nut extracts, to make our black soup. So next it's time to boil the meat while our Banga is boiling. So we're just going to season it with some seasoning cubes, some salt, and then as you can see, I'm going to be adding in the Kponmo first because it's really tough and I want it to boil faster. Yes, and you can see grandma is the one cooking, so this is like original traditional soup. Yes, and I was like, if grandma is going to cook this, I must share this with you guys. So you can see it's just the Kponmo and biscuit bone we've added. Now we're just going to allow this boil. If it's your first time on our channel, you're welcome. Make sure you click on the subscribe button because I bet you don't want to miss out on any of our videos. As well, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload videos you'll get to see it. Also, make sure you drop your thoughts in the comment section. Have you had this before? Is this the process you are conversant with? I really love to get your feedback in the comment section. So grandma is the one preparing it and I have to be assisting, so I might be skipping 1 or 2 parts, but don't worry, any part I don't show, I'm going to explain to you to make sure you don't miss anything. So we just extracted the Banga now, and since our meat was already boiling, all we did was just pour in our Banga extract into our boiling pot of meat. So there was just really little stock left, so we didn't need to drain it out. We just added our Banga extract, and then we're going to be adding this special fish. Now this special fish is called Ewewia. Yes, I pray I'm getting the pronunciation right, but this is very delicious. This is the fish we are going to be using, and you can see we just added in a bit more of seasoning cubes. Now that's what we just added. So now our Banga is boiling already. We are going to add in all the leaves we blended earlier. So this is everything we blended together: the Ewewia, Oziza, Ugwu Leaf, and some scent leaf. We all blended this together, and then we are just going to be adding this into the pot of boiling Banga extract. So later on we'll be adding our fish. You can feel free to use any protein of your choice, any dry fish of your choice, but for us we are going to be using that Ewewia fish. Yes, that's what we are going to be using. So this is us now just putting in our blended extract. Once you're done with this stage, you just want to season to taste, salt, and then your seasoning cubes, and basically that's it, as easy as it goes. Fam, like I said, I'm really eager to get your thoughts about this. What do you think about this recipe? Is this how you make it also? And just let me know in the comment section. So we're just going to give this a really nice mix and allow to boil properly because you can see it's still looking very watery, so you want this to boil a whole lot more. Next, you can just add in your crayfish. You're adding crayfish and you add in your pepper. Now when you're adding pepper, please, you really want to be very careful because of the Oziza leaf. It's already pepperish, so you just add in a little bit of pepper, your crayfish, your dry fish. We just did that now, added the dry fish and any other protein of your choice. And once you allow this cook properly and thicken a bit, that's it, your traditional Edo black soup is ready. So fam, let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.